Hey, I'm Lewis of Unholy Pizza, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 60-second wood-fired pepperoni pizza in Ooni App. Okay, I like to have a little bit of bench flour, because then that way I can just give my dough ball a nice even coating of flour. The main reason why I do that is purely just so that it just doesn't stick to my hands. Okay, so if I'm working from the middle out, I like to form my hands like a triangle. It kind of creates that natural curve. So as you're stretching, it's giving that natural curve. It's kind of making it rounded off for you. Okay, and then flip to the other side, and then do the same again, from the middle out. And then you can just work your way through the edges. So just swipe away any of that flour so you've got a clean surface. And now what I'm going to do is some stretches. So the reason why I've done that is to just get rid of any of that excess flour. First is tomato. So just work that round up to your crust. So you can always go for some ground up banana, and then you can always get yourself some fresh basil. Let's get a couple of leaves, some mozzarella, and the main ingredient, pepperoni. So then just place that around. The saying is less is more, but I think when it comes to pepperoni, more is best. Little tip with the peel, you can either get a little at the front, and then you can then slide that under your peel. Okay, and let's cook it. And that is how you do a 60-second wood-fired pepperoni pizza in Ooni App.